Yes guys, let's find out how you get from this to this. So these are the two mirrors. Obviously the one in the LED has the extra plus and minus, and then the standard one. These should be pretty much the same. And obviously the original has a silver tint and the new one has a bluish one. So once you got your wire route through the bottom, we're going to splice into the indicator. The yellow is the positive, and then one of the black ones for the negative. And yeah, obviously splice it in cowboy style and it should work perfectly. So once you've done a cowboy job and spliced it in, you just got to test if it works. And yes, it does. And then you've got to solder it up and it's job done. Once that's all clipped in, just make sure everything's as it should be from this side, because these arcs seem to be quite weak. Obviously it's trying to copy what you expect. And then just double check it one more time, and then when you're ready, clip this mirror back in and you're done. And that is the final result.